Welcome to GVI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 VW Tiguan Allspace Match. This car comes with a 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 39 miles to the gallon. This is a one owner vehicle with an insurance group of 16 and the car's covered just over 35,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called the Pure White and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. The seats there are in good condition with an armrest and two cup holders for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features like I mentioned. The car also has climate control, cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, and then also automatic headlights and wipers. And finally, on the driver's door card there, you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. The Allspace is a great car for the family, so nice wide door opening in the back here. Lots of legroom and headroom if you're getting children in and out of car seats. The rear bench has three individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own picnic tables there, so the kids will love those, and also their own control for the rear air vents too. The Allspace being a 7-seater, you can fold back the centre seats there for access into the back there, so ideal for the extra row. And as we go into the back, the tailgate's electric, so it's nice and simple to reveal a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats. The parcel shelf is also stored underneath the boot floor as well. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch gunmetal alloys, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.